Hello guys, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion for Our World, your ultimate destination for all the latest trends and style inspirations. Today we are stepping into the world of Satellito heel mole sandals, the most have footwear trend for 2025. Whether you are planning a glamorous evening out, looking to elevate your work wardrobe, or are simply carving stylish comfort, these iconic sandals are taking the fashion world by storm. In this video, we shall uncover the top trends, styling tips, and must-have no brands that will make you fall in love with stiletto heel moles all over again. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's dive into the chic world of mole sandals. Let's talk about why Streeto heel mole sandals are dominating the fashion scenes in 2025. Timeless appeal. Moles offer a seamless blend of classic elegance and modern edge. The open back designs and sleek Streeto heels make them perfect for any occasions. Versatility. From casual brunch dates to high profile events, mole sandals are versatile enough to match almost any outfit. Sustainable fashion movement. With growing awareness about sustainability, many brands are introducing eco-friendly mole options, making them stylish and environmentally conscious. Designs innovations 2025 is all about bold experimentations. Think transparent straps, metallic finishes, and unique heel shapes. Now let's dive into the hottest trends in Satellito heel mole sandals for 2025. Metallic and gladiator accents, perfect for evening glam. These molds add a touch of sparkle to your look. Playful pastels colors like lavender, mint green, and soft pink are rolling the charts, offering a feminine and youthful vibe. Architectural heels say hello to bold geometric heel designs that double as wearable art. Transparent straps. These barely their sandals are a minimalist dream. Animal prints and textures, snake, zebra, and crocodile prints, and adding a wild edge to these classic style. Comfort driven features expect padded insoles, cushioned straps, and ergonomically designed heels that do not compromise on style or comfort. Styling mole sandals is easier than ever than these tips. Office chic. Pair neutral toned mole sandals with a sleek pencil skirt or crisp blouse and a structured blazer for a professional yet stylish look. Casual day out. Combine pastel or metallic moles with cropped denim jeans and an oversized shirt for an effortless vibe. Evening glamours. Choose glittery or embellished moles to pair with the little black dress or a flowy maxi gown for a red carpet worthy appearance. Boho elegance. Add a pair of textured or printed moles to a floral midi dress or linen jumpsuit for a relaxed, earthy look. Pro tip: do not shy away from mixing bold mold designs with statement accessories for a head toning outfit. Wondering where to find the best little heel mole sandals? Here are some top brands to check out. Luxury picks. Jimmy Choo, Manolo Blahnik, Bella Inc. and Christian Louboutin are perfect for high-end elegant designs. Trendy yet affordable. Steve Madden, Zara, and Aldo offer chic options that do not break the bank. Sustainable choice. Rothy's and Stella MC Sarcheni are leading the way with eco-conscious mole sandals. Boutique footwear's favorite favorites. Do not forget to explore boutique brands and local designers for unique one-of-a-kind pieces. Remember, investing in quality footwear can elevate your wardrobe and keep you complete all day long. To keep your Satito heel mole sandals looking fabulous, here are some care tips. Regularly cleaning. Use a soft cloth and appreciate cleaners based on the materials leather, sweat, or fabric. Proper storage. Store your sandals in a dust bag or box to protect them from scratches and dust. Heel maintains. Regularly check the heel tips and replace them as needed to prevent damage. Weather protection. Use waterproof sprays for suede or leather molds to protect them from stains and moistures. As a fashion enthusiast, recommended experimenting with trends and colors. Do not be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Try bold patterns, playful textures, and even mismatched pairs for a unique statement. Also consider investing in a classic style like nude or black moles. They are timeless and go with almost everything. And remember, confidence is key. If you feel good in your footwear, you have look amazing too. That was up today videos on Satito Heel Mole sandals for 2025. I hope you are as excited about these trends as I am. Which trend or style catch your eye? Let me know in the comments below. I love to hear your thoughts. The secret is sector to engage your audience with information, styling tips, trends, and shaping, ensuring the compromising and exciting. In this video, we shall cover everything about the latest 2025 mole sandal designs, how to style them for different occasions, their benefits, top brands, and even a shopping guide to help you choose the best pair. Stay with us till the end and do not forget to like button. This year designs have truly outdone themselves. Satellito Mole sandals for 2025 are all about bold creativity combined with comfort. Here are the standout trends. Transparent upper sleek PVC materials create a modern futuristic web. Metallic 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 touches, gold, silver, and red gold accents are everywhere, adding glamour to every step. Geometric heels, unique heel shapes like triangles and cylinders make a bold statement. Soft pastels and neutrals, shades like bold pink, nude, and baby blue remain timeless favorites. Bold colors, vibrant hues like electric blue, neon green, and fairy red are perfect for a pop of color. These designs are not just about looks, they are also crafted with the advanced materials for better comfort, durability, and sustainability. Mole sandals are a classic that never goes out of style. Whether you are dressing up for a formal event or heading out casually, they fit every occasion. Easy to wear, the slap-on designs make them convenient, especially for women who the go posture perfections. The Satito heel elongates your legs and enhance your posture, giving you a more confident stride. Versatility from jeans and dresses to saris and jumpsuits, moles can complement an outfit effortless. Eco-friendly options. With the growing focus on sustainability, many brands are now offering eco-friendly mole sandals made from recycled materials. Pair postal male sandals with high-waisted jeans and are tucked in while short for a chic laid-back web. For a professional touch, opt for black or nude stiletto moles. Match them with tailored trousers and a blazer for a polished office look. For a night out, metallic or embellished moles are the way to go. Pair them with a sequined mini dress or a stun grow for a head-turning look. If you are going for an Indo-Western with embroidered mole sandals, work beautifully with cherries, leggings, or palazzos. Luxury brands. If you are looking to invest in high-end design, check out new collections from Jimmy Choo, Christian Louboutin, and Manolo Blahnik. These brands are known for their impeccable craftsmanship and timeless styles. For more budget-friendly yet trendy options, brands like Zara, Charles, Kath, and Steve Madden are excellent choice. Check platforms like ASOS, Nordstrom, and Mantra for exclusive online collections. Look out for our sessional sales to grab great deals. Consider padded soles or cushioned insoles for all day wear. Neutral shades are classic designs for maximum styling options. Select a heel height that complements your lifestyles. For daily wear, a medium height heel is perfect, while high stiletto work best for special occasions. Use a show bag to prevent dust and scratches. Store them properly to maintain their shapes. Thank you for joining us today on Fashion Forward. We hope you enjoyed exploring the latest trends in stiletto heel mole sandals for 2025. What designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest fashion trends. Until next time, stay stylish and confident.